Guys, FPVist here with Happy. I want to show you today the last two objects that we have for the race drone. Now, for guys who you don't know, Gearbest sent me like a full drone with bunch of good stuff, and we have reviewed all those stuff over here. We have an SBUS receiver and XM Plus. We have the Matek VTX 500 milliwatts receiver. We have the Emax motor, the 2306 2550 kV. We have the Kakute Taker ESC and F4 combo. We have the Honeydrop. The Honeydrop is two antennas, pagoda antennas, new two antenna pagodas from BEEROTOR. And we have the RunCam camera, the Eagle 2 Pro, which is a very, very high quality camera. And today we're gonna review one of the last things. We're gonna review the Tinsly s50. Now, Tinsly know as a company who produce very, very high quality frames from carbon and aluminium, and this time they did something very, very unique. Now, as you can see, the body over here is very, very large, which means you can build a lot of stuff inside over here, and you have a lot of room. And how they did it? What they did is this. They bring us two aluminum plates, which is regular, but those ones are huge, which means the F4 is over here on the inside, and look how much room you have for build. Like, if this is the VTX, and look the size of it. You have so much room to build over here. And the nicest thing about this package is that it's only weighted for, wait, it's over here, 92 grams. It's only 92 grams, this package. I can't believe it. Now, what we have inside? We have aluminium screws and spacers, and we have the XT60 connector with another aluminium screws, and we have the arms. Every two arms in a different bag, and I believe it's supposed to be something like that, which is quite nice. You have the breaking point over here and also saves weight. And it's quite far from the engine, which means it will protect the engine in most crashes, which is very, very good. I like this thing when people build it like that. What we have else? Another two legs. And, oh, I like this one. This is for the battery strap. What we have is like the Leopard from Gearbest, the same thing with the same rubber, a different shape a little bit, and it comes like this, and the battery strap comes over here, maybe like this, yeah, and from the bottom of the drone, and it's quite nice, quite easy to get the strap over there. They have two straps, which is quite nice, and they have as well heat shrink for maybe the arms or whatever. It's supposed to be one of the great frames we have in the last months, and the shape of it's gonna be a blasting shape. We're gonna build it together, and we're gonna review everything together and configure everything together. We're gonna enjoy it together. Stay tuned, FPVist. Have a great day.